Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the KAMRUI AM21 Mini PC. I've looked through specs, user impressions, and real-world performance so I can give you my honest take on whether you should buy it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right out of the box, the AM21 impresses with how much performance and connectivity it packs into such a small cube-style chassis. This isn't your typical bare-bones mini PC. It's clearly designed to handle heavy everyday workloads, business tasks, multi-screen productivity setups, and even light creative or media work with ease. Let's start with the performance you actually feel. The Ryzen 7 8745HS is a very capable chip. You get strong single-core speed for responsive everyday use, and plenty of multi-core muscle for multitasking and productivity. Whether you're juggling dozens of browser tabs, hosting video calls, editing photos, running databases, or switching between office and creative software, this mini PC stays smooth and responsive. It's also noticeably more powerful than many other mini PCs in this class that use lower-end or laptop-tier processors. Paired with 32GB of DDR5 to 5600 MHz RAM, multitasking feels effortless. You can have demanding apps open side by side without slowdown, and this amount of memory also gives you breathing room for future software updates and heavier workloads down the line. A 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD is a perfect complement, fast boot times, quick file access, and enough storage space for large projects, media libraries, or software suites without worrying about space. Graphics performance here comes from Radeon 780M, which is far ahead of basic integrated graphics. You won't be playing the latest AAA titles at max settings, but casual games, esports titles, streaming video at high resolution, and GPU-accelerated creative tasks all run competently. If your focus is creative productivity or light gaming, this chip holds its own well for most everyday needs. One of the biggest strengths of the AM21 is how flexible it is for displays. With support for quad monitor output, you can connect 4 independent screens, typically via HDMI, USB-C, USB 4, and DisplayPort options, which is ideal for productivity workflows, trading desks, command centers, editing stations, or multitasking environments. Most mini PCs only drive 1 or 2 displays, so 4 at once is a standout feature in its class. Connectivity doesn't stop there. You get dual LAN ports, which is great for business security, network segmentation, or stable wired connections. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth cover your wireless needs for peripherals and networking. USB 4 adds super-fast data throughput and modern peripheral support. And with HDMI and multiple USB ports, you can hook up storage, audio devices, docks, printers, and more without running out of connections. Real-world use feels smooth and fluid. Everyday office tasks, media consumption, video conferencing, multitasking, and even some light content creation all run without frustrating pauses or lag. Thermals are well managed too. This mini PC stays reasonably cool and quiet under load, which matters in shared spaces like offices or home media setups. Of course, if your primary goal is hardcore 3D gaming or professional 4K video editing with intensive effects, a desktop with a dedicated GPU will still outperform this. But that's not really the intent here. This is a powerful, versatile mini PC that bridges productivity, multimedia, and light creation in a tiny footprint. So the big question, should you buy it? After reviewing specs, performance, and what users are saying online, here's my honest suggestion. Yes, if you want a high-performance, feature-rich mini PC that handles demanding everyday computing, multitasking, multi-display setups, and light creative or media tasks with ease, the KAMRUI AM21 is a very solid buy. It's especially great for professionals, home office users, developers, creators, and anyone who wants serious power without a bulky desktop tower. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what product you want to see tested next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.